Welcome, my friends, to Chilltown Trading. This channel is an anonymous channel set up for those people who are sick of working a job. It's set up for those people who are sick of being a slave. This is set up for the people who have heard the word Bitcoin before and they have no idea where to start. The journey to starting is the most difficult journey. Knowing how to start, deciding and making sure you're doing it efficiently, and that you fully are aware of what you're accomplishing, so you don't spin your wheels. It's time to be an achiever. How do you achieve success? The only way to do it is to have goals and things that you want to accomplish. And to starve out all the things that you don't want to accomplish. Life is full of time wasters. With Chilltown Trading, I go by electric bill. With Chilltown Trading, you'll be able to achieve anything that you want in this world without anyone else knowing. You can be as anonymous as you want. Right in front of you, you are looking at a simple chart. On Trading View. Trading View is the platform. The instrument is Bitcoin. There's a lot of moving pieces to this chart. It's much simpler than you think. This represents a daily chart. See, one day. Each bar is a full day. %100% of this. Each of these bars represents something different. 100% of this is controlled by a computer system. See if I can show you a picture of this computer system. is it hanging from the ceiling? What is this? What is this supercomputer? At the end of the day, it doesn't even matter. It's always been around. This is a very simple strategy that I'm going to show you. It took me 7 years to figure this out. I went to every YouTube channel I could find. I went to every trader I could find. I read multiple books. I joined options trading seminars, futures trading seminars. This is the chart that simplifies it all. There's 100 million Satoshis in one Bitcoin. You could think about the Satoshi like you could think about currency of the United States dollar. A Satoshi is the penny to the dollar. The Satoshi is the penny of the Bitcoin.